Good morning, KG. I'm your teacher Zubia, and today we are going to do our English work. So, open up your English homework copies and take out your pencil. Let's start the work. First of all, on your copy, you are going to start with the date. Today it's 11th March 2026, 11-3-26. Homework, and the day is Wednesday, Wednesday, day, Wednesday. After writing the date, homework and day, draw a margin line on your copy. Today we are going to do prepositions in, on, un, under, behind, behind. So let's put these prepositions in the blanks. First of all, we will see the pictures, and according to the position of the things, we are going to put the prepositions. So let's start the work. Sentence number 1. The. First letter is always capital whenever we are going to write any sentence. The, apple, apple. The apple, is. The apple is dash the desk, desk, desk. Look at the desk. Where is the apple? On the desk. Excellent. The apple is on the desk. See, where is the spelling of on? O-N, on. O-N, on. So let's read it once more. The apple is on the desk. And when you are going to write the sentence, put a full stop at the end. Alright? After writing sentence number 1, leave one line and write sentence number 2. The, first letter capital. B-A-L-L, ball. The ball is dash the box, box. KG class, look at the picture of the box. Where is the ball? Think. Where is the ball, KG? The ball is in the box. The ball is in the box. I-N, in. The ball is in the box. Full stop. Leave one line again. Sentence number 3. The. N-A-K, neck. Now write an S with it. S-N-A-K, snake. The snake is dash the car. C-A-R, car. Where is the snake, KG class? The green one. It's a car. Where is the snake? Very good. The snake is under the car. The snake is under the car. So let's see the spelling of under from the vocabulary bank and put it over here. U-N, D-E-R, under. The snake is under the car. Full stop. Last sentence, sentence number 4. The, B-O-Y, boy. The boy is dash the tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Where is the boy, KG class? You can see the hand and the leg of the boy. But the rest of the boy, where is the remaining boy? Very good. The boy is behind the tree. You can only see the hand of the boy. So check the spelling of behind from the word bank and write it here. B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. We are going to try joining writing. The boy is behind the tree and put a full stop at the end. So what you do is, you will write all these sentences, read it twice, make the pictures accordingly, color them, and then send the picture of your copy to the teacher on my WhatsApp. Okay, not in the group. Alright, KG class, after doing your copy work, we are going to do our book work. So everybody open your storybooks. Everybody, you have your storybooks in your bag. Open it up. Progressive English. So now open up a new page. That is page number 4141. We have done all the pages till page number 40. It is already done on your books. So we are going to start with page number 4141. This is your classwork. C.W. Okay. Write the date 11-3-26. So let's start reading. WHAT, what? What means they are questioning you. They are asking you a question. What is the FIRST? First. What is the first SOUND sound? They are asking you the first sound of this picture. What is this? Egg. Egg starts with E. So sound is E. An egg. KG class, why they have put an N with the egg? Can anyone tell me? Do you remember we have done vowels? Remember the vowels? There were 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So if a word starts with A or E or I, O or U, then we write N. Look at egg. Egg starts with E. So we are going to write an egg. Wow. Which picture is next? A beautiful animal. You can also see it in the zoo. Elephant. What is the first sound? E. An elephant. An elephant. Now we are going to move to part B, which is very easy. It's a game, KG class. Let's play the game. Match the pictures to the words. First of all, we are going to see these pictures and we are going to read these words. Okay? Phonic words. Hen. 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 Can you see the hen over here? Yes, there it is. Let's match it. Okay, KG class. Pen. 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 It is already matched. So just trace it. Picture word number 3. Leg. 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 Can you see a leg over here? Yes. Match it. Next word. Egg. 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 Can you see the picture of an egg here? Match it. Next. Pet. Pet. Remember we have done an essay on pet. Pet is the animal that you keep at home. It is friendly. Can you see any pet over here? Yes. See? It's a dog. You can match. You can also keep pets like different pets. Dog, cat, parrot, fish, rabbit, all the animals that are not dangerous. Okay, now look at these words. These are sight words. You can see them and then you can match it with the picture accordingly. Let's read the first word, KG class. HORSE, horse. HORSE, horse. Can you see the horse in these pictures? Yes, there is the horse. Match it. Let's read word number 2. KANG, kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kangaroo is an animal that hops. They lives in Australia mostly. Look over here. You can also see a kangaroo on the mama's phone. Kangaroo. See word number 3. FLOWER. Flower. Or you can call it flower. You can call it flower. Or you can also pronounce it flower. Can you see a flower over here? The red one? It's very beautiful. Let's match it. Look at the next word. G-O-A-T, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Can you see a goat over here? Match it. The next word is yellow. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Let's match it with the yellow color. So this part is done. After doing the matching, let's start part C. They have given a letter bank to us. So accordingly, we are going to see and we are going to fill in the blanks. Number 1, look at the picture very carefully. What is this, KG? It's a flower. What's the color of the flower? It's a red flower. So let's do the reading. A red flower. The initials are missing like the beginning letters. R-E-D, red. Trace them. A red, F-L-O-W-R, flower. We have just read this word over here. Flower. A red flower. See picture number 2. It's a horse. First, when we have seen the horse over here, the color was brown. But when we see over here, the color is different. Which color is this, KG? White. Very good. A white horse. White starts with W. Write small w over here. A W-H-I-T-E, white. W-H-I-T-E, white. A white horse starts with, we have just read this word over here, H-O-R-S-E, horse. So what is the first letter? The beginning sound, H. H, H. A white horse. Is it easy? Yes. What is this? Oh my God. Look at the horns. What is this? We have just seen it over here. But in color, its color is brown. Let's see what is this. It's a goat. G-O-A-T, goat. So what is the first sound? G-G, goat. What's the color of the goat now? Black. A, B-L-A-C-K, black. G-O-A-T, goat. A black goat. Alright, KG class. After doing this, see, listen to your teacher. Put up your hand if she says the word beginning with P. P-pa, pet. I've just told you the animals you keep at home, they are called pets. Let's trace. Come down, go straight up, make a head. Like this. P in lower 3 lines. How many pets you can see over here? 3 pets. First pet is cat, the second one is parrot, and the third one is dog. All of these are called pets. The animals you keep at home are called pets. Remember, we have also done an essay on my pet. Alright, so today we have done page number 4141. Let's do another page. Open up the next page. KG class, we have already done this page. Okay, on the book. This is page number 4242. But today I am going to make you read this page, because after that we are going to do comprehension from the same page. Let's do the reading. Look at the pictures. There are 4 boxes that show the different pictures. This boy is Ali. Let's do the reading. A-L-I, Ali. H-A-S, has. Ali has a toy farm. Full stop. Ali has a toy farm. He has lots of animals. Lots means there are many animals here having. All of them are toys, not real animals. Look over here. This is the farmhouse Ali is having, and there are many toy animals in the farmhouse. Let's see which animals he has. So see picture number 2, KG class. He has TWO 2. He has 2 cows, THREE, 3, GOATS, goats, 3 goats, comma, and FOUR, 4, DUCKS, ducks. He has 2 cows, 3 goats, and 4 ducks. Look over here, there are 2 brown cows, 3 black goats, and 4 white ducks. Can you see here? Yes. Now see picture number 3. He has, oh my god, he has more animals, KG. He has a parrot, PARROT, parrot. Look at the picture. Is it beautiful? Yeah. A fish. He has put the fish in the jar. The fish is in the jar. A cat, the orange cat, and a dog. He has a parrot, a fish, a cat, and a dog. Alright? Last picture. Look at the girl. Remember, we are already familiar with the girl. She is Fiza, KG class. Fiza. FIFEZA. Fiza. Fiza has 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 a TED, TED, DYD, Teddy. BEAR, beer. Hide the first word. EAR, ear. BEAR, beer. Fiza has a teddy bear. Full stop. The bears, S with an apostrophe, means this thing belongs to Fiza. The bear's name, NAME, name is BALU, Balu. The bear's name is Balu. Okay. So when we are going to write comprehension, we are going to remember these pictures. So it will be interesting for us to do the comprehension. Fiza has a teddy bear. The bear's name is Balu. This is the bear. Is it beautiful? Do you have a bear, KG? Okay. So let's see what we have next. This is J-ja, jug. So trace the letter J. J. J-ja, jug. KG class, these pages we have already done. For if any student, you can see your page. If the page is not done at your book, it means you were absent. So you can also do this page, do the reading, and we have also done this page at the class. Okay. This is the poem which is Old MacDonald. We have also read it in the class and we have played this game. So the students who were absent, please write the answers. Can a cat, cow moo? Yes, it can. Trace it. Then number 2, can a dog quack? You know the dogs don't quack. They bark. So the ones who were absent write no, it can't. No, it can't. Number 3, can a cat moo? Can a cat moo, KG class? No, it can't, because the cats meow. Full stop. Can a duck quack? Yes. Yes, it, CAN, can, and a full stop. Okay. After that, you can trace this small q for the quack. Quack is the sound of the duck. For the ones who were absent, but we have majority of the class has already done this page. Alright, KG class. Now, when you are going to do this page, okay, then take the picture and send it to the teacher. And for the ones who were absent, we have also done the reading so that we can do the comprehension tomorrow. And we have done the reading of page number 42. And for the ones who were absent, please do this work also and send the picture to the teacher. But rest of the class has already done it, so don't do this. So you can also just go through the page and do the reading. All right. Take care. Bye bye.